On behalf of State Election Commission, I welcome you all for this press conference. I am thankful that at very short notice, you all have come for this. On the left side of me is Mr. Ashutosh Apte. He is OSD to the Commission. He is Head of Notaries, Government of Goa. Mr. Melvin Walsh, our Secretary of the Commission. Shri Durga Prasad ji, Director Planning and OSD with the Commission. Mr. Sagar is our Assistant Director IT with the State Election Commission. You are aware, elections to various local bodies are to be held in the state of Goa. Today we are here to announce the schedule of these elections. We will be holding elections for Corporation of City of Panjim, for election municipal councils, except to Sankhli and Fonda. By-election to ward number 9 of Sankhli Municipal Council, by-election to 22 wards of different village panchayats, and by-election to Jila Panchayat constituency 16 Navelim in South Goa, where election could not be held in last December due to demise of one contesting candidate. On 6th March. And after the withdrawal is complete, the list of contesting candidates will be prepared and disseminated to all the stakeholders. Date of poll, as I have already told, it will be 20th March 2021, which is falling on Saturday. It will be from morning 8 o'clock up to 5 p.m. in the evening, and counting of vote will be on 22nd March 2021, Monday, from 8 a.m. onwards.
Sir, 20th.
Code of conduct will start from today itself.
What about those people who have gone to court as far as reservation issue is concerned?
That court will decide. I can't comment on that.
So where will be the counting?
At notified locations, these are different locations which have been identified by the ROs. That we will give in the press. If it will be notified, it will be given to the press through you only. We will let the people know, because different places counting will be held. Details we can provide you after this, because there are 11 municipal councils, then CCP counting will be there. For all ward panchayats, counting will be there. Taluka wise, we have appointed ROs as far as by-election to village panchayat is concerned. So it will be at those places where the ROs are situated. The details we will provide you after this.
So
How many sensitive booths have been identified?
That will be identified now onwards. Once we announce this, the sensitivity depends upon so many factors. So the police and the election authorities, collector and ROs, they will sit together and find out which are the sensitive polling stations. We will have one more, you can say, interaction with you all during the poll process, and would come out with all those details so that you can make people aware also about that.
So what's the expenditure the limit for the candidates?
Okay, you see, expenditure limit for Corporation of City of Panjim, it is 2.5 lakhs
Per person, per candidate.
per candidate for a ward. For 11 municipal councils, it is 2 lakh per candidate. for a ward. Similarly, for Sankli by-election, 1 ward, it is 2 lakhs. For by-election to Jila Panchayat 16 Navelim, it is 5 lakhs. For by-election to village panchayat wards, 22 wards we are going to poll, it is 40,000. That is the expenditure limit for the contesting candidates. When we announce this press conference is there, then model code comes into effect.
But you said that there will be model code of conduct to the specific areas, CCP, municipality, but panchayat, ZPs are also going. So does it will be implemented across the state?
No, I said it is with the jurisdiction of that particular areas where election is being held.
If one ward is going of one particular village panchayat, entire only that ward will face
Only thing, you see what is the model code of conduct, you cannot start new work in that.
Yeah.
All ongoing works will be allowed to go. Only new foundation stone cannot be held, that inauguration cannot be done. It will be that particular ward,
Yeah, that is.
not for all.
Not for all.
Yeah.
So sometimes we have seen that
We have deployed expenditure observers, and they will be all having account of all the expenses. Then people complain, they give with their evidences if someone has, you can say, spent more. Then all those things come as a petitions in the elections, and the decision is being done, will be done by the competent authorities on that.
Thank you, sir.
Anything else?
No.
Thank you so much. Through you all, I would like to appeal all the voters, they should come in maximum numbers and exercise the right to vote. Thank you so much. Yes.
Model code of conduct.
Just a minute, let me reply to the question which already has been asked by the learned member of this group. For CCP, total voters are 32,041. For all 30 wards, it is 32,041. For 11 municipal councils, the number of voters are 2,50,470.
70.
Yeah. For Sankli Municipal Council by-election, number of voters is 584. 584. For by-election to Jila Panchayat 16 Navelim, the number of voters are 15,566. For by-election to all the 22 village panchayats, the total number of voters are 12,334. So the total number of voters which will be participating in these all elections, it comes out to 3,10,995. That is the total number of voters which will be participating in these local body elections. Yes, please.
Model code of conduct, whether it will be applicable across the state or only in the areas where.
In the areas where election is being held, not across the state.
But how would you see the boundaries of those certain areas?
That ROs will see, they have delimited the boundaries.
Because there have been grievances from some of the who are about to contest candidates saying that delimitation has not been done in the correct process. Some names are here.
If anyone has any issues regarding that, they can definitely come to bring their grievances to the returning officers, to the collectors, to the SEC. You see, this is the process. You cannot stop the development work. Suppose there is one ward which is going to election in a panchayat or some municipal. How can you stop the whole work in that municipal council? It is not reasonable.
Is that what they are trying to say is that, say, of a certain particular family members who are put in one ward, 3 are put in somewhere else. How would
If that is the problem, then let them come out with their grievances. I have not received even a single complaint regarding this. Commission has not received any complaint till now. Let the complaints come, we will see. Yes, please.